A few years ago, while I was working a full-time job, whenever I would check my bank statement, on the column that shows money coming in, there would just be one transaction, and that was my salary. But on the column that shows the money coming out, there'd be a painful list of transactions, which were my expenses. I remember thinking to myself, I work every single day, but I only get paid once a day. But the other days, I am spending money every single day. By the second week of the month, I was already anxious, counting down to payday and wondering why I couldn't seem to hold on to my money. And if that sounds like you, I want you to know this thing. You are not bad with money. You're just missing one critical system. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why your paycheck keeps disappearing and exactly how to take control of it starting today. Because here's the truth. Most people, including me back then, think the solution is to earn more money. But without the right habits, even a bigger paycheck disappears just as fast. It's not about how much you make, it's about what you do when the paycheck hits your bank account. And that's what we're going to learn today. I'm Sia, I'm a qualified accountant, and I've helped countless people around the world to take control of their finances. Let's dive in. Here are the three invisible forces that are draining your money. Number one, you are spending on emotion, not intention. When your paycheck lands, it feels good, so naturally you want to treat yourself. But that is emotional spending. And emotional spending, even on small stuff, stacks up really fast. The goal is to buy things that make you free, not just things that make you feel good. Number two, you don't have a set routine for what to do when your paycheck arrives. If you're spending whatever's left after paying your bills, then you're already behind. Without a clear plan of what to do before your paycheck lands, your money will always vanish. Number three, you confuse money that's available with money that's spendable. Your bank balance shows you money that's available, but that is not the same as money that's spendable. Your bank balance doesn't tell you what your upcoming expenses are. Therefore, you may think you have $500 left in the bank, but only $200 is truly spendable. But here's the good news. This isn't a discipline problem. It is a system problem. And you can change it fast, starting with your next paycheck. Here's the shift that changed my life. I stopped thinking of payday as a day to spend my money. Rather, I started thinking of payday as a day to control my money. On payday, do this first before spending a cent. Number one, pay yourself first by moving some money into a savings and investment account. Even a small amount is okay. Number two, write down what living expenses do you still need to take care of in the upcoming month. Number three, assign every dollar a job, because every dollar that doesn't have a job to do will leave you wondering where it left. When I started doing this, everything changed. I wasn't making more money, but I suddenly had money left at the end of the month. For the first time, I felt like my paycheck wasn't controlling me, but rather I was controlling it. Now that you know why your paycheck disappears, what should you actually do the moment you get paid? That's exactly what I'm covering in the next video. In the next video, I'll walk you through 3 steps that I take every single payday to stay in control of my finances. I'll show you how to build a simple payday routine that actually works. I'll see you in the next video.